All right, welcome back to Drinking It In. I'm your host, Chris Casara. We're here to help you know more and drink better. And we're doing our Bordeaux shorts of 2018, and this is episode number 2. Tasting the Chateau St. Pierre wine from Saint Julien. So this guy, right, is 77% Cabernet Sauvignon, 23% Merlot. Saint Julien is a left bank appellation. So again, left bank Cabernet Sauvignon dominated. Can be a little bigger than the wines from the right bank, than the one we just tried from the Saint Emilion appellation. So the nose on this one is just stunningly gorgeous. It's almost like a lavender, I don't want to say potpourri, but a lavender perfumey note. There's plenty of black fruit. You can smell the fruit is just pure as anything. And I get a little let's get a little cinnamon. All right, let's give it a taste. Yeah, so herbs, cinnamon, cedarwood, lots of bright black fruit. I'm gonna go black currants, and I mean this is another winner. 2018, as you're gonna gather, is a very consistent vintage across the board. Now that's according to Jeb Dunnuck. That's, you know, I'm only on wine 2 from the 2018 vintage, so I can't make that declaration, but in the tasting the other night, Jeb did reference that, you know, it's going to be a lot easier to find good 2018 wines than in some of the other vintages where it could have been a little more hit or miss. So take note of that. I mean, if you happen to see this Chateau, if you have an opportunity, Chateau St. Pierre, Saint Julien, gorgeous, going to age forever. So go buy it. And I'll see you next time for another Bordeaux short.